place the pillow in a trash bag and see what happens. Everyone knows that clean pillows are key to a good night's sleep. Despite using a pillowcase, yellow stains from sweat often appear, along with particles of skin and dust. Such a pillow quickly becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and dust mites, leading to poor sleep and allergies. Pillows should be washed every few months. But what to do with them in the meantime? There's a simple way to refresh them in just a few minutes without the need for washing. Grab a trash bag, ensuring it's larger than the pillow you want to refresh. Also, get some baking soda ready. Place the pillow in the trash bag and sprinkle baking soda on it. Seal the bag and shake it to ensure the soda covers the entire pillow. Rotate the bag with the pillow on all sides. The soda needs to mix well in the bag, and when you peek inside, you'll see and feel the powder on the pillow's surface. Seal the bag again and leave it for several minutes. During this time, the soda will start working. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and absorbs excess moisture. After a few minutes, take the pillow out of the bag. There will be a lot of soda on it. Grab a vacuum and use a clean attachment to vacuum the pillow thoroughly from both sides. This will leave the pillow free of contaminants that could negatively impact your health and sleep. Without washing, it will be refreshed. The unpleasant odor of sweat and moisture, even if slight, will disappear. Some stains will fade or vanish. Your sleep will significantly improve, and all it takes is a few minutes and a bit of baking soda. When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? Apply toothpaste to your feet and see what happens. This method is cheap and incredibly simple. Take some toothpaste and squeeze it onto your heels. It has exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of baking soda onto the toothpaste. Baking soda has antibacterial properties and helps soothe and relax your feet after a long day. Then take a piece of lemon and squeeze the juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste. Start rubbing the lemon on your heel, pressing harder on the most calloused areas. Leave this mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. After that time, wash off the remnants. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet to enhance and maintain the effect. This home remedy is extremely effective and affordable. It also softens the skin and helps you relax. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Sprinkle this on the onion. It gives it a completely new use. First, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Now, prepare the onion. Take 1 red onion and slice it. Lay the slices evenly on a cutting board. Take the prepared mixture and sprinkle it on each slice. This blend, with salt, baking soda, and baking powder applied to the onion slices, helps to neutralize unpleasant odors in rooms where the slices are placed. It also repels insects. Spread these slices in different spots around your home. They're especially effective near the fridge, but they also work well near the stove, plants, or the sink drain. You'll notice a fresher environment and fewer pests in no time. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle, and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month, and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh.